And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Jamaican families who depend on money from relatives in the United States are bracing for a financial hit.
This comes as U.S. President Donald Trump signed the Big Beautiful Bill on Friday.
Now, under the new law, all remittances sent from the United States will be subject to a 3.5% federal subcharge.
Economist Keenan Faulkner on the issue.
Have a material effect, and I don't think it is something that can be understated. But in the interim, I expect that non-citizens looking to send money back home will have to utilize more formal and non-traditional channels, and remittance companies may also have to absorb some costs and potentially accept a few thinner margins.
The Trump administration says the revenue from the surcharge will go toward maintaining and expanding security at the U.S.-Mexico border and offsetting what he described as the cost of illegal migration.
The decision is expected to ripple through Jamaica, where remittances from overseas workers, particularly those in the United States, account for nearly 20% of the country's GDP.
Any adverse effects from that expected fall in remittances, which help many families with their day-to-day household expenses.
Jamaica currently receives roughly $3.3 to $3.5 billion in remittances annually, the majority of which comes from Jamaicans in the United States.
Remittances currently account for 17 to 20% of Jamaica's gross domestic product, GDP.